Yo, what's up? This your boy Big Mucci, baby. And I'm here with another line dance instructional for y'all. Today I'm going to be teaching y'all this new line dance by me and my homies, Elektrohorse and Big Mucci. It's called It's a Hold Down. I'm going to show y'all how these steps go. Come rock with your boy. Now, first thing you're going to do, you're going to go to your right 2 times to your left, but you got to do it with a dip. So it's like this. 1, 2 to your left. 1, 2. From there, you're going to step up. Step up. The step up's like this. Step up, step up. All right, let's do it again from the beginning. 5, 6, ready, go. Dip, dip, step up together, step up together. All right, from there, it's called a giddy up, back, and you got to swing the lasso. Giddy up, back, giddy up, back. Easy. Let's do it from the beginning. Here we go. 5, 6, ready, go. Right, left, step up, together, giddy up, back, giddy up, back. From there, we're going to do 4 kicks, or we call them heels, like this. Right, and left. Let's do it again from the beginning. Here we go. 5, 6, ready, go. Dip, dip, step up, giddy up, back, right heel, right heel, left heel. Easy. All right, from there, this is the end part. It's giddy up, snap your legs on the 4th count, and then you're going to ride that horse 4 counts back. Watch. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. That's all it is. It's a hold down. Let me show y'all again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dip, dip, slide up, giddy up, back, right heel, left heel, right heel, left heel. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. That's the whole dance. It's a hold down. Elektrohorse and Big Mucci. Let's go.